Hello YouTube, this is Ringo from 7 Education and we're back again showing you another question on the past paper. So this is again the May 15th paper 1 TZ1. So on our screen what we have is a paper like this. The following diagram shows a circle with a center of O and a radius of 10 and ABC lies in the circle. Find the angle AOB is 1.2 radian. Find the arc length. So, if you guys go and check out your formula booklet, the equation for the arc length is this r theta. Alright, so what's r? R is 10, theta is 1.2. So, simply 10 times 1.2, what we're going to get is 12. Alright, that wasn't hard at all, was it? Easy. 12 what? Make sure you put the unit in because, the arc length is in the radius is in centimeter, so obviously this one is in centimeter. So next, find the perimeter of the shaded region. Oh, okay, this part can get a bit shady. All right, so if you have a calculator, that would be easy because you can just go for 2 pi minus the other side. First, we are going. Oh, actually, careful. It's the perimeter, not the area. So how do we get the perimeter? Well, we have to find the arc length on the other side. Oh, but we don't know this angle. The simpler way is that you simply get 2 pi minus 1.2 to get this. But because this is a non-cal test, it's pretty much impossible for us to do that. Well, so what are we going to do? Well, we are going to go for the simple equation of a circumference. So the whole circumference is what? The whole circumference is simply 2 pi r. Easy? Easy. So if I can tell you that the theta, actually before I even do that, if we know that arc length equals r theta, and therefore if we're looking at the whole circle, theta will be equal to 2 pi, r will still remain the same as 10. So the arc length of the whole circle is going to be 20 pi. And we know from earlier calculation in part A, the current one is 12. So we're just going to simply write 20 pi minus 12. And then we're going to do something. So 20 pi minus 12 equals what? 20 pi minus 12 equals this edge right here. And because we need to find the perimeter, we have to add in the 2 radius. So we have to go for 20 pi minus 12 plus 10 plus 10. That's the radius. So what we're going to get is 20 pi minus 12 plus 20. So simple calculation, 20 pi plus 8. That will be our final answer for the perimeter. And because we can't use a calculator, we're just going to leave it as 20 pi plus 8. Alright, so this is not a very difficult question, but it can get tricky at times because you can't use the calculator. Alright, peace out for now. This is